Hello everyone, so hope you guys have a great week with Trey. So I'm in the meditate Zen zone, so I could able to explain my tray of my PA even better. Um, so this tray is just a really quick tray, and very honestly, I just got up and really um, scan around that I done. Like in the past day, just put on the daily, but I chose this trades because I was looking at the move and the daily, and knew it's gonna be in the range side. And I think if you remember that I was learning on one of those stages that if the daily is doing the range, I know this trade is not gonna stay for long from there. And also I was training myself, okay, not to hold the whole trade too long from here. Yeah, it gives us something in it, but the main purpose I was, and also the price that I got it is just very not a good price because of the R of that stop loss R. I would have gotten a better price in here. Um, what others that I could explain? And this is the reason why I got out like quick, and because it was acting as a range. Unfortunately, this is just a quick trade that I done, and I haven't done like fully in it to write a note on it. Uh, this is something that I need to do as a trader and put some time on the weekend that I could able to go some of this pair that I like that move into the direction uh, either up and down that I could start from the beginning and from the end. Um, what others that I need to improve? What others I need to improve? It's basically it. Basically not holding a trade as much, um, and also mistake that I done. I entered the trades very quick. I now notice I'm a very aggressive um, a trader. No patient at all. Still learning to be patient. That would be good to have a yin and yang to control that. I remember that I had that trade. I still have emotion thinking attachment that this is not gonna work because I was thinking is this gonna be a range, and it it did work a little bit, but not expected I wanted. The price that I got in, it was not a very great price on a precision time frame. So look at that. To look at this, let's admit this is from daily, so it's gotta go all the way here and all here. And the point is, this is a start market. I didn't want to hold it for that long, and because I only have one rule to trade at least 2 hours, and that's it, and not try to get my head around. Yep, and that's basically it, my PA of the day. Um, if you have a feedback, just let me know. I will definitely take a look and do an improvement with this pair of Tesla. And thank you, and have a great day.